this is Tess with ROE Dental Lab, and today I want to give you a sneak peek into some of the items we're going to have with us at the ODA this September down in Columbus, Ohio. We're excited to hang out with you guys and your teams, and so I want to give a little preview of what we're going to have at our table for you to come and check us out. Now, we have a very popular video on our ROE Fit Tray, which advertises a 2-appointment denture workflow, and unlike other labs that advertise a 2-appointment denture workflow, we're not asking you to make your own bite block to truly make it 2 visits. First visit being you take the impressions for the model, make your bite block while your patient waits. Second insert, we're talking truly 2 appointments with the ROE Fit Tray. We're going to be giving demos of the ROE Fit Tray at our table, so please, if you were interested, saw videos on this, and want to see how it works in real time, come check our table out. We're going to be showing these and we're going to have them available for purchase as well. So if you like it and you decide you want to leave with it and try it in your practice on Monday, you can do so. We'll have them right there at the table. So again, if you are looking for a refresher, or maybe this is your first time hearing about the ROE Fit Tray in preparation for the ODA, we're going to link our videos below that talk about what is it, how to use it, and again, take a look at those and then come see them in real time at the ODA. Now, I have another item that's not quite ready yet, but is going to be with us at the ODA. We will have our ArchBridge kit, but it won't just be restoring fixed full arch, it's going to be helping with overdenture cases as well. We're going to have this available at our table to check out. It's going to be prepared and ready by then, so if that's interesting to you, hearing a digital workflow for overdenture cases, come check out our table at the ODA. We look forward to seeing you, talking shop, and hopefully introducing you into some more efficient workflows for you in your practice.